Yeah, it's me, your boy, King Samson, once again. I truly appreciate you all for subscribing and your comment. So, I'm here to drop another video again. So, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe because I don't know what you have been waiting for. And I know this is the appointed time for you to subscribe to this channel. So, I'm here to let you know the purpose why they are playing you. They knew you have a future and they are now playing you. It sounds so funny indeed. So the reason why they are playing you is because they knew that you have a great star to fulfill. You have a great future to accomplish on earth. So it sounds so funny to them that what type of person is this? Yes, it can be your parents, your brothers, your sisters. It can be anyone. Even Jesus narrated his story, saying that the best enemy of every man is from his household. So they used to say it in my language that a rat that is inside home is the one that invites the outsiders to eat meat or meal in the house. So therefore, remain focused and watch this video to the end. Don't stop. Don't stop. Watch this video to the end. I know it will benefit you a lot. So there are sometimes people you will be around with, things will be moving on. The energy will be attracting more favor into your life. Things will be working for you good and smooth without doubting and without evil. But once you step into a environment that your energy is being dried, things move slowly. Why? Because the evil, the haters, the betrayers, the non-sick ones are there. So you don't need to be afraid. You need to quicker your energy and accept the movement. So they hate you because they knew that you have a future. And the way they are trying to stop this your mission is by what? Sending evil what? Verb into you, telling you that you can't do it. Listen, whatsoever you are doing, that you know within you that this is the midst of you surviving, and someone is telling you that this is not good, that you can't do it, you cannot activate it, you can't work on this, it's too hard, that you can't fulfill it, mark that person is not ready to push you to the next level of your progress. Sometimes it's so sound funny that people who you call your Pepsi, your family, once they discover that you are doing something great, or there's something you are about to start a business, they will start to give you vibes. They will start to tell you that someone have done this, someone have done that. He or she could not would succeed in that mission. So therefore, they don't want you to do that. Or you are you are doing a job. Someone is telling you that that job is not good. That job is not nice. That job is so painful. They don't pay you a huge of money. They don't give you what they're supposed to give you. But he or she cannot provide another job for you. Mark such person is not in support of your progress. Let me tell this once again. There are sometimes when you are in a relationship, in a serious relationship, your friends will be advising you to leave that girl. They will be telling you all manners of things without giving you approve. Why? Because their own is not like your own. They just want you to break it. So there are many people who are playing you. Why? Because they know you have a great star, a great future. I can remember those days that my dad would call us together. He said, whatsoever you do, whatsoever you found yourself, wherever you found yourself, don't join a multitudes to dance in order for you to succeed. It's a big word. So they are playing you. Sometimes in life, when things are getting better, when things are good, when things are moving well, that is when people will be around you. When things are nice, you are living a good life, they have something to benefit from you, they will be there. But the benefit dry once they can't get anything at all from you. The benefit stop once there's nothing that they can earn from you. Listen, it's not everyone who is in your life that want you to succeed. It's not everyone who you support will support you in a difficult time. It's not everyone who is up there calling you boss, calling you brother, calling you sisters, really meet them. They call you all sorts of names. They put all sorts of high name hierarchies in order for them to do what? To get from you. Once that thing is dry, is finished, they will leave you. It's so painful. Sometimes we don't discover it. And the worst of it is that they don't allow us to discover the right people in our life. They block the right ones. They've stopped the right one from coming. Why? Because they are jealous of what you have. You know, one of my prophet, Apostle Johnson Suleiman, said the word. He said, we are in a wicked world. We are in a world where people who eat with you, who laugh with you, are not happy with you. This is not, he said, he moved further and said the word. He said, this is not a word that you will be exposing whatsoever you earn, whatsoever you have. Because if you have 24,000 followers in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, 0.5% of them are in support of you, while the rest are there as a monitoring with demons. They are there to hear from you. They are there to hear evil news. They are there to see if you can cry. They are here to hear. They are here to listen. One day that things are not going well. They are just there for them to hear that, oh, something dangerous, something painful have happened to such person. That is the reason why they are following you. Yes, they comment, they do all sorts of things, but they are not with you. Listen, it's not everyone who laugh with you is with you. Sometimes, if I remember my stories about my friends where I used to live, I conclude that there is no friend on earth. There is no friend. Everyone is running his or her race. Yes, there are good ones around us. That is the fact truth. But you need to be watchful. And the worst of it is that don't share your good news to people whom you know that they cannot celebrate you in your back. Always share your good news with those who celebrate you in your back, not those who celebrate you in your present. Because those who celebrate you in your presence are those who killed you in your word in secret. The world we are living is so dangerous, so damaged, that everyone want to succeed by all means. They don't care how you feel. They don't care how hard it is for you. As long as they can benefit from you, they can play you, then they will remain with you. But if they can't get anything from you no more, they will never be with you. So therefore, be smart, brother. Hiding the things you do, hiding the lifestyle you are living the ways you do your things. Because the world we are living is not the world of yesterday. Everything have changed. There are certain things you will tell to your mother. There are society things you will tell to your brothers, your sisters. There are society things you will tell to your friends. Be wise, because the world today, even the devil himself is asking, where do we get this heartless heart? They play you because there's something that we get from you. They know you have a future, but they just want to stop your future by all means. They just want to stop you by all manners. That's why some people will tell you, it's not, this is not the period, this is not the time for you to do this. Oh my God. Listen, we are living in a world that people up there will be making decisions over your own personal what? Personal things. People up there will be making decisions over your personal life. They don't make decisions over their life. They don't sit down and think, how will I succeed? What will I do? Most of them have not even know the meaning, the full meaning of what? Planning, what? Analysis over their life. But they keep planning for others. All they are planning for you is for you to quit, for you to fail, for you not to succeed, for you to be like them. They don't want you to be higher than them. They are playing you. They are getting from you. They are earning money from you. They are earning all manners of things from you. You know, I do used to tell my friends, the world we are living today, there are many ways to be slavery. There are many ways people are using people to be slavery. You think they are helping you. In those days, someone who took you to his or her what? Farm, house. You'll be walking to them to the rest of your life. Nothing will be paid. Or someone will come to your family because your mother, your father is unable to pay their debt. They will take you as a collateral for you to work for them in order for the family to pay. So this period of hierarchy we are today, they are not using all those means. They are using different means in relationship, in marriage, friendship, Pepsi, neighbor, brother, sister, boss, landlord, landlady. They are using all manners of ways. If you can open your eyes, you will understand that they are playing you. They are not ready to support you. They don't care how you feel. Whether you get broke, you get damaged, you commit suicide, you die, they don't care. The worst of it is that once you die, they will still move on with their life. Listen, the people whom you are working for, you are moving every day. You go work in the morning, you go work in the night, you go in the morning 5, you come back around 5 in the evening. You support them, you care for them. Listen to me. Percentage of them will not support you when it becomes so hard for you. They are only there caring for what they will get from you. So be wise and stop letting them play you, because they themselves know that you have a future. The worst of it is that these haters, they can't play with people who don't have a future. They will always play with those who are doing something with the life they have within them. So brothers, all I'm pleading is this: don't let them play you. I can remember those years. That's why I used to tell my friend, not that I'm not humble, I do used to tell my friend, I don't fucking care what they think about me. I don't fucking care who love me. I don't fucking care who said all manners of words against me in my back. But come to my front and say that, I swear, with the last breath of me, you will hear what you have never heard in your life. Because if you too care for people, they won't care for you. If you too help others, no one will help you. Once people discover that you care a lot for them, my brother, they will never care for you. They will be getting, people who get who you give can never be satisfied. People who you give always can never be satisfied. So stop letting them play you. Let them go and hunt out for themselves. It's not that it's a means of you hurting them, or it's a means of you being wicked. No, they know they are playing you. They'll be the one up there saying, oh, this guy is a fool, that lady is a fool. Some people will be in a relationship with you 10 years, 7 years, 12 years. You said they are not playing you. They have not come to see your parents, your father. You said the guy love you. That is playing. They are wasting your time. Let them go and move on with your life. They don't love you. According to one of my friend, he said the word, how can someone be in a relationship for 12 years? And after he said, he don't love you no more. Why? Because there's nothing special about you. There's nothing special about you to him or her anymore. He knows everything about you. There's nothing special. That's why I do used to tell my friend, never you give your body to a man who have not seen your parents or pay your birthright. Because once he or she have known everything about your in and out, what is the essence of him following you, giving you the respect you deserve, whereby you are so easy to have? Brothers, sit up and stop letting them play you. This is your boy, Kid Samson, and wait for the next upload. And if you have not subscribed, I don't know what you have been waiting. Please kindly subscribe and share this video to people up there, because who knows, man, they kill man. Let it sink into your brain.